Hi guys, my name is Kyuki. Welcome to our workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to create this cute Easter wreath using the xTool laser machine. The xTool is safe and easy to use to cut and engrave a wide variety of materials, including wood. It is perfect for creating intricate designs for your Easter crafts. Now I will show you step by step how to make this Easter wreath. Let's get started. First, you'll want to choose your piece of wood for your project. I will be using 3mm basswood plywood, acrylic paint, wood glue, and some water blendable crayons. Next, you'll need to design your Easter-themed image using xTool Creative Space. I prefer xTool Creative Space because it is easy to use and very beginner-friendly. Of course, you can also use a file that you downloaded from xTool projects or other platforms. Don't forget to measure the distance. This is important for the automatic focus. To mark your processing area, simply click on the Start Marking button to the right. Move the laser module to the edges of your material and click the button in front of the machine to set the coordinates. Now set your processing parameters for each layer. I use 90 power, 8 speed and 1 pass to cut 3mm basswood plywood. Once everything is set, you can load the design onto the xTool laser machine. Now it's time to let the xTool work its magic, as it's creating a beautiful finished product. And now it's time to add some paint. I love the natural beauty of wood, but for this project I will add some color using acrylic paint and water blendable crayons. Choose colors that go well together and that complement your home decoration and your very own style. Use your scoring lines to perfectly align your cutouts. Once you're done putting all the pieces together, you'll be left with a stunning Easter woodcraft that you can display in your home or give as a thoughtful gift. So if you're looking to add a personal touch to your Easter decorations this year, consider using the xTool laser machine to create beautiful woodcrafts that will be sure to impress. Thanks for joining us in the workshop today. We hope you have fun creating your own Easter woodcrafts with the xTool laser machine. Happy crafting!